Alright, so we're here with the Hoover convertible. Now, I took the brush roll and the belt out because the belt's busted, and the brush roll is actually a metal one. It's just really stiff. The brush roll's locked up, so I'm either gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna keep it for now, but I might need to put a new brush roll in it. But here's the convertible. It actually sounds really nice. It's in straight suction. Oh, dang. It has a plastic fan in there, but it still starts up like a metal fan. So yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.